Hey everyone, Eric Eltholtz here. I'm a marketing technology director with West. And what we're going to look at today, we're going to show you how to create a call capture text SMS text code that's used for generating leads. So here's an example I'm showing you right now. We're looking at a post that I did on Google My Business. Here's a graphic that includes a text to code called view, and it has a phone number in there, and we're doing it as a 24/7 open house. So let me show you how to do that in the kvCORE platform. That's really what we're going to be looking at here. So let's zip over to kvCORE and let's go ahead and log in. So one of the things that you'd want to do is you'd want to use a property that's available in your office. And I found a property, and I'll show you what that is and what I did with that. So let's go ahead really quickly. I'm going to log into the kvCORE platform. We're going to navigate over here to our toolbox, our drawer on the left-hand side. We're going to go to Lead Engine. And when we're in Lead Engine, we're going to now select Call Capture here. We're going to go ahead and say Get Started under Call Capture. Okay. And now I want to add a new thing in here. So a couple of things. Your phone number that's built into kvCORE is indicated right now. So if you're going to use this for your marketing, for flyers, for tangible marketing, to create, again, this text code or this graphic like this, you're going to want to include that phone number. So just make a mental note of that. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is really cool. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click Add a New. Okay. So now I'm going to put my custom code, and you can put anything you want to. You can put view, you can put tour, whatever code you want to put in there. And then you're going to add the MLS number. So one of the things that I recommend doing is if you're going to use the office listings, go into your local MLS, set up a search criteria using your office's codes, and just set yourself up as a contact and have the new listings from the office show up in your mail, your email inbox every day. That way you'll have a complete list of all the active listings that are coming in the office. In this case, I've got a listing here that I found it's a for sale listing right here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to grab the MLS number. Again, I'm not a real estate agent, so you won't have to do this. You'll be able to take the MLS number directly from the lead or the list that you get on a daily basis. So let's flip back over. I'm going to put that MLS number in here, and I'm going to put a reply message, right? I'm just going to say, please let me know if you have any questions. And just to make it fun, I'm going to put a smiley face in there. Okay, now I want to tag this. Now this is important. When you're creating a custom text code, you want to note a hashtag that's specific to this property. So just for my purposes, I'm going to use a hashtag with the MLS number for that code. That way, any leads that come in for this property, I'll know what listing the leads are coming in from, okay? So that's kind of important. Now, you could tag it with the street name, the street number, a combination of both. Just keep in mind that when they say a hashtag, what they're talking about is you want to be able to track that lead source. So when those leads come in, you want to know where they're coming from. The last step here is just selecting the number. Usually you only have one option. So in this case, that again is that primary number on there. And now I can go ahead and click Add, and it's going to go in and make that tour as you see here. So now if I text that code, tour 1, right? And I text that to this number, 951-376-5154. That's the number in my account. That's actually will auto-generate a lead from that listing, okay? And that's really the goal with SMS marketing. Keep